Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video you will learn in detail with the help of example that how to draw walls of a simple building in AutoCAD. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos. So let's start that how to draw a wall in AutoCAD. So first you will click on the line, this is the line command, and then we'll draw a line of your desired length, means the length of the wall you want to draw. So let's suppose we want to draw this much line, and then in this direction that would be of this much, and in this direction we have this much, then enter. Now you will be required to take the offsets if you want to draw a line outside of this line or inside, depending on the requirements. You have to take the offset. So we will select the object, we'll click on this offset tools, or you can also simply write in the command line as the offset, and then we'll enter. Now you can see in the command line it required to specify the offset distance. So we will be using a wall even a thickness of 9 inches. Normally the masonry and brick masonry walls in buildings has a thickness of 9 inches, so we will write 9 inches and then we'll enter. So now you can see here is the lines we have selected. Now you can see, and depending on your requirements and your interest, that you want to take the offsets the above or below from this selected line. So you want to take the offset inside of below this line in the inside. So we will click, bring the mouse on this inner side, and we'll click OK, and then we'll click another line to take the offsets. Now you can see to take the offset on the right or left side, means at the outer side or the inner side of the line. So we want to take on the inner side, so we will make the mouse to be bring into this inner side, and will then click OK. And then for the same, this one, when you click, so the offset command is active. So now you can take the offset on the inner or outer sides. We will take on the inner side. Now we have to close the ends of the wall. So we will escape and finish the offset command, and we'll click on the line command again. Now you can see we will join these points and then enter, and this the same on this end. We'll activate the line command and we'll click and we'll join this. Now you can see this is, now you have to make this line to here and this line to be this point. And now this is a corner, okay? And here you have to bring this line to here, and then we'll bring this line, this line, this end too will be joined with this end. So now you can see that the section of the walls, means the top view or the section of the wall has been uh, plotted, been drawn. Now we will make it to be as a region. So now this inner side should be a region. So we will click on the region. We write the region in the command line, and we'll then click on OK. Now you can see that now you can see that it required to select the object. So we will be clicking inside. So we have to first make the boundary, so we will enter the boundary. and then now you can see we have to select there are different options, so depending on the available data and requirements you can choose your desired, or you can select the polyline or regions. So you will take the pick points from this inner side of the one. You will click here. Now you can see a whole region has been highlighted, and will click enter. Now these walls now acting as a single object. When you bring the mouse to any portion on the wall, so all the line is acting as a single object. Now it has a region, and now we have to use the extrude command to extrude this object. So we will first rotate with the shift and pen and OK. Three buttons will be pressed at the same time. We can rotate, or we can also rotate from using this cube. And now we will enter the extrude command in the command line. This is the extrude, and we'll click OK. Now in the command line you can see that it's required to select the object. So we will select this object and then enter. Now you can see in the command line it's required to specify the extrusion height. So you want to extrude it by 10 feet. So we will enter the 10, write the 10 feet and will enter. Now the line has been, the wall has been extruded by 10 feet, and now you can see this is the wall of a building. And if you want to see in the 3D, in the a conceptual view of this 3D wall, so you will click here and will click on the conceptual. Now you can see the wall has been created of your desired length and height and thickness. So this is how to draw walls in AutoCAD. So now if you have any questions regarding the walls in the AutoCAD, so you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.